Namaskar. Unprecedented scenes are taking place at the national capital, Delhi. Lakhs of farmers have gathered, protesting, taking on the police, taking on the Haryana government, which tried to block them throughout. They've gathered for what? They're fighting for their rights, for their lives, for their livelihoods. And what is the Modi government doing today? Mr. Modi yesterday in his Man Ki Baat says that the farmers' bills are wonderful and there's nothing to be worried about. Then why are these farmers on the streets? Why across the country are farmers' organizations protesting? Mr. Amit Shah says, let's discuss at a particular venue at a particular date. But the BJP leaders are maligning these farmers, they're attacking these farmers, they're making all kinds of allegations against them, calling them anti national, calling them politically motivated. Has the Modi government ever even tried to talk to these farmers or their organizations before passing these bills? These bills were passed in parliament illegally. Everybody knows what happened in the Rajya Sabha. So the government doesn't believe in democracy. The Modi government doesn't believe in democracy. It believes in suppressing the voices of the people. We saw during demonetization what happened. Common people had to stand in queues, lines for their own money. We saw during the pandemic when the lockdown took place, where the common man, the poor man, had to walk hundreds and hundreds of miles with no food, no transport, no shelter. This is an inhuman government, and today it's repeating itself. And they're blind to the fact that people are suffering. This can't happen in a democracy. I warn the Modi government that please stop these atrocities against the farmers. Call them, discuss with them, have a proper dialogue, and immediately repeal these laws, put them on hold. Then, through discussion, come out with what is good for everybody, for the good of the nation, for the good of its people. Stop this Hitler attitude of yours, Modi ji. Talk to the farmers. Thank you.